this generator.
Today we are talking about generator installs, and finally I am not working on a flow meter.
This pump station might be familiar to you.
It's where I show you how level sensors work, but today I'm going to be wiring in some controls for the generator. But first, check this out.
Look at these crazy ants. They're all over the place.
Better chuck that on the risk assessment.
So far, we've reinstated the existing generator main switch, which goes into the ATS.
That stands for automatic transfer switch.
Then goes through the copper bus bars, down into the ground, through conduits, all the way along until we get to that cabinet over there. This is what it looks like inside, and we're using the power safe cable connectors.
So, you might be wondering, why isn't this just a permanent connection? Well, this is actually a permanent temporary solution, and I'll show you how it works.
Currently, these cables are connected to this generator, but
if we remove all these cables, we now have room for a temporary generator to go straight in and power up the site whenever we need. So now you know why the generator is here, but let's get back to what I'm doing today. Inside it. That's better. Now, all of this stuff, I have no idea what it does, so I need to trace it out and put it onto a drawing.
There we go. Now I have a rough draft of the wiring diagram.
Dear generator companies, thank you so much for making my life really hard by not providing an easy way to access your wiring diagrams, and also forcing me to sign up to some random site where I'm going to get spammed about PDF for the rest of my life. I won't tell you who it is. It's super muggy today. Anyway, let's get those drawings up onto the computer. Haha! Bet you thought I was going to be in front of AutoCAD, like typing away, but guess what?
That box up there, yeah, the one next to the ladder thing. Oh wait, let me show you.
Yep, this is the ATS. It does all the magic for when we lose mains power and switches straight over to generator, but it turns out all this stuff in here was wrong. So I redid everything and then put it into a drawing. This drawing right here. All right, I will put it into AutoCAD later because it's super ugly. Okay, I've wired it all up. I've done a point-to-point test on both ends, and now it is time to plug the control cables straight in. Let's go.
Yep, I gotta get this thing all the way up into here.
All right, pause. Do you like my haircut? No, there is not an on-site barber here. It is a completely different day. In fact, it's a completely different week because I had some massive issues regarding getting this thing to turn on. Let me show you why.
Yep, you guessed it, the ATS again. I had to rewire this whole thing.
And I'm kind of glad that I didn't film it because there were a lot of profanities.
But now it is time to test off. What are you doing, timer? Yes!
I don't know why I did that.
We are now officially on generator, indicated by this light here. And we have 0 alarms, at least associated with the mains power fail. These are okay. Now let's turn it back on. Quick. Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Okay, just trust me, it works. Woo-hoo-hoo. See, none of that went to the way that I ever planned, but I don't really plan these things anyway. You just gotta roll with the punches sometimes. So, if you like this video, can you please make sure that you hit the like, comment, and share button to make sure that more people learn about instrumentation in the water industry.
Simba.